Alan Eckman of Agora Financial joins us now for the Trader Rundown. What's on your mind today?
Records, and more records. That's all we're seeing lately. So it's very much a positive, but there are other sectors that have to do some catch up, and I think that's where the opportunities are.
Let's talk about a sector that needs some catching up. What would you say?
Well, I think one thing that we want to be aware of is the stabilization in interest rates and how they bounce back. So that tells us, that's a little bit more positive tone for everything. And I think the last step should be the energy market. The energy market had been trading between 50 and 60 when you look at crude oil now since June. So I think we can make another attempt on 60. That could be a very positive sign that the global growth concerns have waned.
What would be a trade, maybe in the crude patch, that you would choose right now?
There are a lot of stocks that have just suffered. Now, Halliburton's one of them. Halliburton used to be a player. You remember it was down 40% last year, in the last 52 weeks anyways. It was down 20% in 2019. Compare that to the S&P, which is up 20%. So it's trading sideways, as a lot of these stocks do along the bottom. It's between 17.5 and 22.5 since June. So there's a strong level of support at 20. So lean on that 20. I'm looking at an in-the-money call, an April 17.5 call.
Oh, that's a lot of time, Alan.
So that's plenty of time. Buy more time than you need. I think I've said that before because things can happen. So that option is going to cost about $4, and it's $3.75 in the money. And if this does break out, the upside target on this stock is 27.5, which is 25% up above. So it's good long-term play, looking for the overall market to make a comeback.
Any thoughts on the president and Powell speaking today?
Well, the president is always going to put Powell under pressure, and part of it has been we've seen a lot of liquidity added in the repo market. So that may not lower interest rates the way the president wants that, but it provides the liquidity. It has the same net effect, which is positive for stocks.
Well, thank you for your Trader Talk today.
Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.